Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dissect the sometimes boring world of corporate filings so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into a report that smells a little like a freshly brewed cup of coffee because somebody is having a career change. Get ready because we're looking at Cheetah Net Supply Chain Service, a company that seems to be making moves. The big news, they just appointed a new chief financial officer. Let's get into the details of this change and what it might mean for the company. So what is Form 8K? It is basically a corporate breaking news report. Companies use it to tell investors about big, important things that are happening, things that could change how people see the company. It's like a company's way of saying, hey, pay attention to this. Cheetah Net Supply Chain Service. Based in North Carolina but with an office in Irvine, California, this company has got a new CFO. Changes in leadership can mean a lot of things, so let's understand what it is all about. Here's the main event. On February 18, 2025, Cheetah Net Supply Chain Service decided to bring in Cindy Tang as their Chief Financial Officer, or CFO. This is someone who handles all the money stuff for the company. This is a pretty big deal because the CFO is like the financial quarterback, calling the shots on how the company spends and invests its money. Cindy Tang isn't exactly a new face around Cheetah Net. She has been working there as the Director of Finance since May of the previous year. So she already knows the ins and outs of the company's finances, which probably made her a good choice for the CFO spot. Before joining Cheetah Net, Ms. Tang had another interim CFO role at Elong Power Holdings Limited. Interim basically means she was filling in temporarily. Elong Power is a company that makes battery products. Before Elong Power, Ms. Tang spent a pretty long time from 2010 to 2023 as the finance director at China XD Plastics. They make modified plastics, mainly for cars. Looking at Ms. Tang's education, she earned a bachelor's degree in English Language and Literature from Sichuan University in 1988. Then, in 1990, she got another bachelor's degree in Foreign Affairs from Foreign Affairs College. Fast forward to 2003, and she completed her MBA in accounting from Seton Hall University. Now let's talk about the money. Cheetah Net is going to pay Ms. Tang $84,000 a year. That money will be paid to her every 2 weeks. On top of the salary, Ms. Tang has the opportunity to get shares of the company's stock. For every year she works full-time for Cheetah Net, she could receive $50,000 worth of Class A common stock. These shares will be given out based on the company's stock incentive plan. The agreement also includes some standard stuff like what happens if she leaves the company, keeping company secrets and not stealing employees or customers if she goes somewhere else. Cheetah Net has also agreed to protect Ms. Tang from certain legal troubles she might face because she's the CFO. This agreement means that the company will cover Ms. Tang's legal costs if she gets sued or faces other legal issues because of her job. This kind of agreement is pretty common for executives, as it gives them some peace of mind knowing the company has their back. Just to be clear, Ms. Tang isn't related to anyone else high up in the company. Also, as far as Cheetah Net knows, there's no shady deal or secret understanding that led to her getting the job. She has no obvious conflicts of interest to do with other deals, as far as the company is aware. The company filed Ms. Tang's employment agreement and her indemnification agreement. These are Exhibits 10.1 and 10.2 respectively and go into legal details. So, what does all this mean? Well, Cheetah Net is bringing in a new CFO who already knows the company. She has got experience in finance and a solid education. She is making $84,000 a year and has the chance to earn company stock. She is also getting protection from legal problems related to her job. Now, let's zoom out and think about the bigger picture. Cheetah Net is still an emerging growth company, which means it's relatively new and has the potential to grow a lot. Bringing in a new CFO could be part of a strategy to get the company ready for that growth. On the one hand, Ms. Tang's experience in finance and previous work at the company could be a real asset. She knows the business, she has got the skills, and she's ready to go. On the other hand, changing CFOs can sometimes be a sign of trouble. Maybe the company is having financial difficulties, or maybe there's a disagreement about where the company should be headed. It is worth noting that the company's stock is trading under $1. That means the company needs to be very careful since their stock may get delisted from the Nasdaq stock market. The most recent financial information available at the time of this filing was from September 30th, 2024. This filing showed net losses worth $23 million. This also could be a reason why the company might be having a CFO change. Given the details of this report, including the change in CFO and existing public information like financial data and the low stock price, I would be cautious when considering investing in this company. The numbers suggest high risk and further investigation is definitely warranted. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know in the comments what company filing you'd like me to decode next.